Getting bad down there.
Ready when you are.
Copy that. I'll get him looking the wrong way. You gentlemen ready?
Spidey, check it out.
Nice.
That's not regulation, Lieutenant.
Sorry, Captain. Birthday present from the kid. Not every day you run ops with the man, you know?
I'll let it slide. This time. Now get back on the ready line.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this.
It's the bar! Any of you guys read that chapter in The Art of War about misdirection? No? Good. Maja Civil War. Hammerhead's men versus all the other families. And I'm caught in the middle. Of course! Can't believe Hammerhead picked a dilapidated sanitarium for his home base. No, wait. I leave it. Just need to keep these guys focused on me, while Yuri and her team sneak in and grab Hammerhead.
You matched with the wrong!
Every Don should have a name like Hammerhead. Let me think. How about, Moose? That's a majestic animal. Maybe Stingray? Let's stick with the aquatic theme. Look, I'm spitballing here.
Forget Hammerhead's guys! Concentrate on the fire!
Hammerhead's guys fighting the rest of the Maggia is like coming to a party where you hate everyone.
You want me? You deserve that!
Neither side has really fallen short on manpower, huh? Yuri, you good?
Confirmed target elimination.
Confirmed. Moving on.
Let's move! Let's move!
Yeah, she's good. You keep beating each other up. I'm just expediting the process.
I can handle this one!
More Maggia thugs, more Hammerhead thugs, more destruction of public property.
The Magician's gonna get you for that!
Hey, I can do this all day, guys, though I'd prefer not to.
a bug on a windshield!
Enough with the bug puns already! Huh. Does Sable know you borrowed her shields?
Keep jumping around! I can handle this clown!
You know, I know a guy with a way cooler shield! That was about as tough as I expected. Better catch up to Yuri. That was about as tough as I expected. Better catch up to Yuri.